Genetic engineering in livestock. This image shows CRISPR-Cas9 at the molecular level. The green guide RNA matches the DNA to be edited, and Cas9, a large protein, acts as molecular scissors. Once the RNA finds its target, Cas9 recognizes the red PAM site and makes a precise cut, letting scientists disable a gene or insert new DNA. The central question is whether genetic engineering should be used to remove traits that limit livestock performance or welfare, and how we balance the scientific benefits with ethical and environmental considerations. Articles highlight key benefits of genetically engineered livestock. The biggest is disease resistance. Scientists can modify genes that make animals vulnerable to illness. Another major benefit is improved heat tolerance, helping livestock cope with rising global temperatures. Gene editing can also improve animal welfare by removing traits that cause suffering. The article also covered controversies, as ethics is a major concern as many question whether humans should alter DNA from animals and worry about the unknown long-term effects. Consumer acceptance is another challenge since some hesitate to buy genetically modified meat due to health concerns or perceptions of unnaturalness. Finally, regulatory issues arise. The FDA treats genetic edits like drugs, slowing approvals, while some argue that USDA would be better suited for efficient oversight since they are more familiar with livestock. Gene editing in livestock is showing clear, measurable improvements with CRISPR-Cas9, being the major breakthrough that allows precise edits. Scientists are focusing on traits like immunity, growth, and heat tolerance. But there are important concerns about safety, unexpected effects, and long-term consequences. There is also the risk of reducing genetic diversity in populations. Overall, the scientific approach is cautious and data-driven, and while the results are promising, researchers are remaining cautiously optimistic about the technology's potential. This image shows the gene editing market from 2024 to 2034. In 2024, the market value is just under $1 billion, but by 2034, it's expected to reach almost $3 billion. This rise reflects how quickly CRISPR is moving from research labs to agriculture. Gene editing offers major benefits for livestock and cattle, especially by reducing disease susceptibility. However, challenges remain. Public skepticism and ethical concerns like fear of unnatural modifications affect consumer acceptance. Regulation is also a key issue as the FDA and USDA work to keep pace with CRISPR technology. This slide highlights where the popular press and scientific articles diverge. Popular press pieces concentrate on social and economical concerns, questioning whether gene editing solves deeper industry issues and raising ethical worries about playing God. In contrast, peer-reviewed studies focus on feasibility and biological results, emphasizing molecular precision and technical effectiveness rather than broader social debates. Across both peer-reviewed studies and the popular press, there is an agreement that biotechnology, especially CRISPR, marks a major turning point in modern livestock production. Both sides recognize its potential impact, but they differ sharply on political and ethical issues. Scientific articles focus more on technical outcomes and feasibility, while popular press pieces raise broader concerns about regulation, ethics, and the societal implications of gene editing. For our conclusion, we believe gene editing in livestock can be a valuable tool, but only under the right conditions. It must be used with clear, well-enforced regulations and strong ethical oversight. Without these safeguards, the risks outweigh the benefits, but with them, gene editing can genuinely improve livestock health and industry sustainability.